gotta shoot from the hip.
Yeah.
Something magical might happen.
For sure. Let me. Oh, we gotta turn the air gun on. Alright, as you can see, we opened up the ceiling here, got rid of the old particle board, just revealed the floorboards. They're in great condition. Need to seal them with this super nasty water seal. This stuff is super sticky and it gets everywhere, but it'll protect the boards forever and it'll look great. Okay, back to it. Back at Home Depot. Gotta do some quick sampling out, so I'm just gonna weigh my coffee, give them the right amount. Here's how you do that. We're taking a quick break from studio renovations to deliver some coffee. We're selling coffee! Delivering coffee! Driving up to Encinitas to drop off a green order and came by my old work. Bird Rock Coffee Roasters. Alright, dropped off some coffee. We're back in the studio, remodeling over here. Got all the walls up and running electrical. Should be just about finished today. Nate's been doing most of the work, so that's been good.
We're learning lots.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be awesome.
So this is gonna be my new office and coffee operations.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, right. Last cut of the last panel and the power dad. Alright, we've got 14 new outlets in thanks to this guy. Woo!
Oh, dude, there's an office chair. Wait, for real? Yeah. Dude, this is what you need. I do need an office chair. This is it. All right, I'm gonna hop out and grab it. Okay.
She's a keeper.
Yeah.